everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on today to show you how I take these items that I have here and turn them into these. So if you want to see how I put them both together, stay tuned. I'm going to share that with you. So the first DIY, I have these jars here from the Dollar Tree, and I tape them off with some painter's tape because we are going to paint each sides with a color, some with this yellow paint and some with this black paint. And I also have some bling. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is paint our two jars. And remember, like I told you, we're going to paint one side in yellow. So we're going to start with the yellow paint first, which I got here. And then we're going to paint the other half in black. So we're going to start with the yellow at the bottom, painting it going right around. And today's video is a collab video called Be Kind, and it's hosted by At Home with Lisa, and this is Latanya Yvette. And there's also a lot of co-hosts in this collab, as you can see on the screen here. These are all the ladies, and I will have all their information listed down below so you guys can go over, check them out, give them a thumbs up, subscribe to their channel, and watch what they have to show us in this Be Kind collaboration. Now that our jars are all dry, I'm going to use some of this wrap that I have here. I think they look like little flowers. And I'm going to use some hot glue and just glue them going right around both our vases. And now I'm going to use some Gorilla Glue and glue our two vases together. And here is our finished look. A quick and easy glam decor for that special mother in your life. And here's our decor with some flowers inside. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of my first decor idea for Mother's Day using our yellow and black theme for our Be Kind collab. And now for our second DIY, we have another yellow paint here. And I'll be using some crushed glass. And I have this bling here, and we also have a vase from the Dollar Tree. Okay, we have our vase here, and I taped it off again with some more of the painter's tape, and I will be using this yellow paint. It's a little lighter than that one that I used before, but you know our theme is yellow and black. So I'm just going to paint the vase all over, and I'll probably give it 2 to 3 coats and then set it aside to completely dry. Okay, now our vase is dry, so I'm just going to remove the painter's tape. And next I'll be adding some of this crushed glass I got from Micheals, and I am going to be using some Mod Podge to lay it onto our glass. Now I am just going to add the crushed glass down the center of our vase. And then when I'm done, I will just set it aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, now our Mod Podge is dry. I'm going to go back over with some more Mod Podge, sealing in the crushed glass so we don't have any falling off. And here I'm just going to add some silver glitter to the center of our decor. And I'll just set everything aside again to dry for a few hours. Okay, I'm going to add some of our wrap to our jar. Now the Mod Podge is not quite dry, but I'm going to be working around it. So I'm just using some hot glue to add our wrap, our flower wrap I call it, going around our vase. Now I'm just going to glue it from one side to the other, and I'm going to have it hanging at the bottom. I wanted to have a different look, so that's what I'm hoping to achieve. So there'll be a loop at the bottom. And here is our finished look. As you can see, I added 2 little black bling wraps. I cut the slim strips and added it going down the side of our crushed glass to give it the to give it the yellow and black effect. And I like how the bling wrap is just hanging down in a loop. I think it looks very nice. And here's our vase with some flowers inside. Two beautiful flower decor ideas for Mother's Day, for that special mother in your life. And you can have them with flowers or without flowers. Both ways they look lovely. And I hope you guys will check down below in my description box and go over and see what the other ladies have to share with you in this Be Kind collab for 2023. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.